Morning students, welcome to your VVPS e-learning life skill class. Students, today we will start chapter number 2, that's name praying to God. Is it clear? God is very kind. God is our ultimate savior. His blessings are always with us. God looks after us in all difficulties. Students, today we will understand in lesson number 2 a story. The story name is Faith Heals Best. This is the name of the story. In the remote part of a hilly region, there was a small village. In a remote part of a hilly region means पहाड़ी इलाके में there was a small village. एक small village था. Leading from that village, a path led to a small church on the top of the hill. Is it clear? On the top of the hill, a small church has been. Then in that village, the local called it one of the wonders of the world. Even though most of them did not know what the other wonders were. Roxy lived in a nearby city. Roxy is a boy lived in nearby city. His father was unwell for a long time. उसके पिताजी unwell मतलब बीमार थे काफ़ी समय से, long time. Someone had told him about this church. Someone had told him, उनको कुछ लोगों ने बताया था about this church. He wanted to take his father to the church. Roxy did not set out to do a pilgrimage, but that was exactly what he did. Is it clear? He wanted to take his father to the church, and Roxy did not set out to do pilgrimage, but that was exactly what he did. Roxy and his father came to the village. Roxy and his father means Roxy and Roxy के पिता came to the village in the evening and checked into a small hotel. और उन्होंने एक small hotel में अपने stay किया. As Roxy inquired about the church, stories started pouring in. Everyone was full of the praises about the church and its power. Everyone was full of the praises. प्रत्येक सभी ने जो है क्या कि प्रेस किया अबाउट द चर्च के विषय में और उसकी पावर के विषय में. In the morning, Roxy asked his father to get ready so that they could leave for the church early. In the morning, मतलब सुबह के समय, Roxy asked his father to get ready so that they could leave for the church early, जिससे वो जल्दी चर्च के लिए निकले. As they were leaving, the owner of the hotel came to inquire about his father's health. As they were leaving, जैसे वो छोड़ रहे थे रूम, चर्च के लिए जाना चाह रहे थे, the owner of the hotel came to inquire about his father's health. और वहाँ का होटल का मालिक जो है उनके पास आके उनके पिताजी की हेल्थ के विषय में जानकारी लेता है. Did you have a good night's sleep? He inquired. Oh, I slept like a baby. Who is saying? Father of Roxy. I slept like a baby. Roxy's father replied. The sounds of the night lulled me to sleep before my head hit the pillow. मतलब तकिए पे सर रख के ऐसे कि जैसे कि एकदम शांत होकर नींद आ गई. So you are ready for the climb of 200 steps, he asked. 200 steps? Roxy asked. Roxy ने पूछा 200 steps. Will he be able to climb? Oh, it's where you go to find answer to whatever problems you might have in life. If you can make it all the way to the top, if you can make it all the way to the top, you will be rewarded with the statue of Virgin Mary. और चर्च में किसकी स्टैचू थी? वर्जिन मैरी. Is it clear? People have faith and their faith has been rewarded umpteen times. The owner of the hotel clarified. होटल के ओनर ने क्लैरिफाई किया कि वहाँ पे ऊपर वर्जिन मेरी की स्टैचू है. बट आई हैव नॉट बीन टू चर्च इन ईयर्स. लेकिन उस होटल के मालिक ने क्या, आई हैव नॉट बीन टू चर्च इन ईयर्स, मैं सालों से चर्च में नहीं गया. सो डू यू ओनली गेट रिजल्ट्स इफ यू आर अ कैथोलिक? Roxy's father asked. Catholics means Isai. No, it's the faith that counts. People belonging to all regions come here. He replied. मतलब कई तरीके, हर रिलीजन से लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं. उसने आंसर दिया. Roxy asked for direction and the son father duo took off to this church. Duo means जोड़ी. सन और फादर की जोड़ी जो है चर्च के लिए चल. On the way they stopped at a local police station to ask the directions. डायरेक्शन पूछने के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया, स्टॉप रुके लोकल पुलिस स्टेशन और पूछा उन्होंने डायरेक्शन, रास्ता. It was a one room hut where the whole force of 3 young men were playing Ludo to pass the time. Nothing happened in that small village that required police intervention. Means hastakshep, intervention. There was a certain degree of reverence. Reverence means shraddha, that all locals observed. It was as if any unlawful activities by the residents would displease the Virgin Mary and cast a pall over their sacred city. Sacred means धार्मिक city. Roxy and his father finally made it to the foot of the stairs, and Roxy was speechless. His first thought was, how did they get the material to the top of the mountains to build these monuments? Is it clear? Monuments. His second thought was, how would we get up there? कि हम लोग वहाँ कैसे पहुँचेंगे? His father had knee surgery, get surgery 2 years ago. 2 साल पहले ही उसके पिताजी की नी की सर्जरी हुई थी. And he had been suffering with constant pain of sciatica for years. Going up and down stairs was actually more painful for him than any other physical activity. किसी भी प्रकार की फिजिकल एक्टिविटी उनके लिए बहुत पेनफुल थी. However, he looked excited with an overwhelming desire. Overwhelming means कुचल डालना. Desire, इच्छाओं को. To make it to the top to see the statue of Virgin Mary. Roxy's father said to him, Roxy के पिताजी ने उससे कहा, I am very confused. I grew up in a Catholic household, but after I left home, I drifted away from the practice of going to church just now. I became aware that my Catholic upbringing is still with me. Upbringing means पालन पोषण उनका जो है कैथोलिक फैमिली में हुआ था. Is still with me. I unconsciously started to mentally recite Hail Mary. Means मैंने मानसिक रूप से हिल मैरी का पाठ करने, मतलब अनकॉन्शियसली वो क्या करने लगे, हिल मैरी का पाठ जाप करने लगे, मतलब पूजा करने, मन में याद करने लगे. रॉक्सीज फादर स्टेप्ड ऑन द फर्स्ट स्टेप. रॉक्सी लुक्ड अप. ऑल ही कुड सी वर मोर स्टेप्स. He noticed a swath of blue paint on some of the steps as far as the eyes could see. मतलब बीच की कुछ सीढ़ियों में ब्लू पेंट थे. After careful observation, Roxy realized that every 10th step was painted blue. हर 10 स्टेप के बाद क्या थी, एक ब्लू कलर की पेंट एक स्टेप पे था. He decided then that they would go 10 steps at a time until they either made it to the top to see the statue or give up. He made the sign of the cross, stepped back on the first step and proceed upward. It was hot. वहाँ क्या था, बहुत गर्म था. The sun was high up in the sky and there was no shade, और वहाँ पे कोई shade भी नहीं था ऊपर. Roxy and his father walked up 30 step. कितने 30 स्टेप तक उन्होंने अब चलने के बाद, before they took their first of the many breaks to the top. The higher they climbed, the more spectacular the view of the valley was. Spectacular means बहुत ही शानदार. ऊपर का जो व्यू था वैली का बहुत ही शानदार था. Finally, after a lot of effort, they made it to the top. However, they were disappointed to see that the statue was encased in a small room with a decorative iron door. एक decorative iron doors के अंदर एक छोटे कमरे में स्टैचू जो मूर्ति थी मैरी की वो विराजमान थी. There were about a dozen people up there already, और वहाँ पे दर्जनों लोग पहले से ही थे. There were cement benches in front of the shrine, प्रतिमा के सामने, मूर्ति के सामने. Some people were lying down crying silently. Some were praying with fervor. Fervor means जोश, उत्साह के साथ. Everyone had a beatific look on their faces and the unmistakable sign of hope. Beatific means खुशी से, look on their faces, उनके चेहरे पे खुशियाँ थी, and unmistakable sign of hope. Then Roxy felt like an imposter. Roxy feel कर रहा था क्या, like an imposter, just like a ढोंग. Students, tomorrow I will explain next part of the story. Today's class is over.